Nanolab Instruments began as a trading firm for nanotechnology instruments, refocused its operations in 2015 to become a single product company. It is currently solely focused on electrospinning. Nanolab Instruments has collaborated with several researchers and technology partners over the years to design and produce the whole spectrum of electrospinning equipment. Our knowledge and skills in electrospinning are based on years of experience working with all stakeholders in the industry. We are interested in your electrospinning works. We listen to and understand our clients' concerns and needs. We then pool our resources, experience, and skills to identify solutions. The NLI Basic Series and lab-scale electrospinning systems meet all basic research needs. The basic system may be built according to your budget by acquiring the different components and accessories. We offer free advice on DIY setup. The lab scale, on the other hand, has scanning capabilities and creates bigger sheets of nanofibers. Nanolab Instruments' patented blowing-assisted electrospinning technology is being used to scale up electrospinning from lab scale to pilot scale. The same unique blowing-assisted electrospinning technology has proven so effective that it is now employed in our industrial-scale electrospinning system to generate a wide range of end products. Aside from the Asia-Pacific area, our customer base has grown in recent years to encompass the United States, Australia, Europe, South America, and Africa. Nanolab is always here to help. Please contact us at any time if you have any questions about our products or services.